Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. Hey guys, so we have CAT exam this Sunday. All the best to those who are appearing. Uh, in this video, we are going to solve an interesting mixture allocation problem from CAT 18 paper. A trader sells 10 liters of a mixture of paints A and B, where the amount of B in the mixture does not exceed that of A. Okay, so there are two liquids and the amount of B in the mixture does not exceed that of A. So it means B is always less than or equals to A. Okay, B does not exceed A, but it can be less than or equals to A. Okay. The cost of paint A per liter is rupees 8 more than that of paint B. Okay, so let's say for paint B the cost is X rupees per liter. So for A it will be X plus 8 rupees per liter. Okay, this is also per liter. So if the trader sells the entire mixture for rupees 264 and makes a profit of 10%, then the highest possible cost of paint B in rupees per liter is what? Okay, so for trader, he is selling the entire mixture for rupees 264. So selling price is 264 and the profit is 10%. So we know here in this case selling price is equal to 10%. So that means 110 by 100 of CP. This is the selling prices. Okay, so selling price is 264. Okay, so this 0 got cancelled, 11 to 4. So from here we know CP is 240. So CP is 240 for 10 liters, and if we say for 1 liter then it will be 24 rupees. Okay, so this is the cost price per liter again. So we are taking everything in terms of liters. Okay, per liter. So from here we have two approach. First way is we can directly use the allegation formula, mixture and allegation formula, and can get the answer. And so we'll first see that way, and we'll also see the algebraic way of solving this problem. Okay. So by using mixture and allegation formula, we know the quantity of cheaper material and quantity of dearer material is, again, if you face a problem in remembering the formula, I have given a link of my previous video where I have explained it how to remember this formula. Okay, so C and D, they come in alphabetical order. C and D, write them first. M is mean, and because mean will be lesser than D, right? D is the quantity of dearer material, so here we need to write D minus M, and here we need to write M minus C. Okay, so this way you can remember the formula. Now C by D is equals to D minus M by M minus C. So from here we can say the quantity of cheaper material, so this is quantity of cheaper material by quantity of dearer material is equals to price of dearer material minus mean price by mean price minus cost price of cheaper material. Okay, so this is the formula is. So now the quantity of cheaper material. What is cheaper material? B is cheaper because B's rate is X rupees per liter and A's rate is X plus 8. So A is dearer material. This is more costlier or dearer material. This is cheaper material. Okay. So cheaper material is B. So quantity of B, we are just writing capital B, the quantity of B, by quantity of dearer material, here in this case is A, is equals to D minus M. So what is cost of the dearer material? X plus 8. And now what is mean price? So here we are considering, so for dearer material we have considered 1 liter price, X plus 8. And here also we will consider 1 liter price. So for mean we will consider the price of 1 liter. So here in our case mean is 24, okay, which is the cost price per liter. So here 24 by M minus C. So M is 24 minus C. Cost price of cheaper material is X. Okay. So if you understand the formula and able to put it in this way, we'll get the answer. And after this we'll also see the algebraic way. Okay. So now see here, we need to find out the maximum cost of B. So maximum cost of B will be possible when the quantity of B is higher, okay, and the maximum quantity of B is possible when B is equals to A, otherwise B is less than A. So the maximum quantity of B can be equals to A. So if we have total mixture of 10 liters, then A has to be 5 liters and B has to be 5 liters, right? Both of these has to be 5 plus 5. Then only the quantity of B will be maximum and the price of B will be maximum, right? So this is important, 5 plus 5. So now if B and A both are 5 liters and 5 liters, then this will be equals, A and B will be equals. So this is equals to 1. Okay, so from here we can say x plus 8 minus 24 is 24 minus x. So from here we get, let's write in next step. So from here we get 2x is equal to 24 plus 24, 48 minus 8 is 40, or we get x equals to 20. Okay. So what is x? X is the price of B per liter. So when B is maximum, the price of B can be 20 rupees per liter, right? Which is the answer. Okay. Now we'll also see the algebraic way of solving this question. If you find this formula and this applying the formula too difficult, it's okay. Let's follow the algebraic way. Okay. So let's say the volume of A. Okay. So the volume of A. So the total volume of this mixture is 10 liters. So 10 is equals to the volume of A. Sorry. The volume of A and the price per liter of A is x plus 8. So volume into price is total price of A plus volume of B into price of B. Okay. So whatever is the volume of A in that 10 liter mixture into price of A per liter, and here volume of B into price of B per liter. So this is making total 10 liters of mixture and this price is 240. Right, we have calculated here the cost price is 240. So here the cost of A plus cost of total B is 240, right? So if we expand this, we have AX plus 8A plus BX is 240, or you say we can take this x common from here, so we'll have x A plus B plus 8A is 240. So what is A plus B? A plus B is total volume, which is 10 liters, right? So from here we get 10x equals to 240 minus 8A. So we have get this equation. Now again the same thing for price of B to be maximum, B has to be equal, B should be equals to A. We have already seen here in this case it should be 5 and 5 both. So that means the volume of A is 5, we know, right? So if A is 5 liters, then we'll have 10x equals to 240 minus 40, which is equals to 200. So 10x equals to 200, that means x equals to 200 by 10, which is 20. So using this approach also we can get the same answer. So price of maximum possible price of B is 20 rupees per liters. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.